Time slow, talking like we already close, laughing at things.
Nigga, this Chris Brown? No, because like if this that bitch ass nigga Jack singing, I'm pissed off. The nigga voice sound like Darth Vader out this bitch. The nigga voice deep as fuck. I swear to God, he had a vocal filter on, bro. He had to have, bro. There's no way. That nigga sound like Louis Armstrong, but saying high pitched. I don't understand this.
Hard on lock, what you in it? Didn't think I get these feelings. Now I'm up in the deep end. I ain't felt this in a minute. Girl, it's different. Got me checking on my phone.
Be hard.
You put color in a space I kept so empty. What you did to me, I haven't felt this in a while. In a while, got me falling like the first time. First time, child, got my guard up, but you slide right through my pride. You're the one that got my heart.